keep saying this every broadcast I come and I tell you. All of you were there. Let me tell you what the Fulanis have in store for you. Go into ordinary business. In every sphere of the economy, the Fulani dominate. Their stranglehold is total. They own over 90% of the oil wells. The reason why they own these oil wells is because people from the coastal region of Biafran land forgot who they are to allow the enemy to come in. That is why Ogoni land is polluted and can never be cleaned. That is why every year resource control with nothing happening because of the efficiency of divide and rule that they applied, of course the British applied. Let me tell you what they have done. Cement. Everybody must buy cement to build a house. Because of the way the white man taught us to build houses, whereas before we used to use clay to build our houses to maintain the temperature inside at 6 or 7 degrees centigrade. And all of a sudden it's all grease block. There is a conductor of heat. Let's put that to one side. For you to build a house. Let me tell you how clever the Fulanis are with their British advisors. Everybody needs shelter at some point. If you're successful in life, you're about to build a house. Even if you don't build, you're bound to rent a house. You're not going to sleep outside. The landlord that built the house or the owner of the house must have beautiful cement. You see how clever they are. The Fulanis thought to themselves, let us control the cement industry. How are they going to control it? By killing off and closing every other cement producer in the country. So that only one man is not going to produce the cement. He's going to import the powder and pack it somewhere in Lagos. That's how you have Dangote cement. Over the years. Some of you may have forgotten when my uncles used to work at Niger 7 Cement Factory at Nkalagu, built by Dr. Michael Obana. Niger 7 is called Nkalagu Cement. Some of you have forgotten, but I'm sure if you're as old as I am, you remember BCC Lions of Boko. Have you forgotten Lions Cement from Benue? BCC means Benue Cement Company. They used to have cement in Benue State. There was Elephant Cement, Eagle Cement, Ashaka Cement, Boham Cement, even if Benton had his own cement. Now, people complain, they don't have any jobs, they are mistress, they have no jobs. But you people, the same Fulani that you people idiotically voted or claim you voted for, are the people that shut down all these factories. They want Fulani to control you. They gave the monopoly the license to import cement to one single Fulani man. Dangote. That was why they put Ibeto in prison. EFCC called him and imprisoned him to stop him from selling cement. Only one Fulani, only one, mind you, they control of the oil. Only one Fulani man. Some of you are so stupid in Nigeria. I don't know the type of God that made some of you, but I will educate and I will enlighten you. If you listen to us without bias, believe you me, your life can never be the same again. Your brain will open. Let me give you an example of what is happening to you. Before now, there was nothing, and Obasanjo is very stupid. I'm telling you, Obasanjo is an idiot. Obasanjo was the man that rubber stamped some of these things I'm telling you right now this evening. Not only do Fulanis control the oil well, there were a lot of people, thousands of people working in the refineries. Let me tell you what they did next. They went into the refineries and they shut every refinery down. They went and built a refinery under Abacha in Equatorial Guinea. They went into a consortium with the British and built a refinery in Exeter, in England. Now, this crude oil that previously would have been refined in Onen, in Iguacha, Port Harcourt refinery, in Warri, or to an extent Kaduna, now we ship them abroad and made every worker in that place useless, rather than unemployed. Money wasn't coming in. I want people to understand when, like Muhammad was saying, what holds us together is not what you all that rubbish, nonsense. I want to tell you how Fulani took over your lives before your eyes, as you're watching back in one Nigeria, our flag, our team, Super Eagles, Green Eagles, England, talking about the Fulani, we are stealing your lives away from you before your own eyes. Fulani was not content in owning the oil wells. They shut down the refineries where our parents were working, where you could study petroleum engineering, graduate, and find a job to feed your family. That sector was shut down. Remember, they shut down the cement sector. It's very critical. Every day there's construction going on, isn't it? It's a very critical sector of the economy. Getting raw materials, of course. Fulani, Dangote one man. Now let me tell you what they did very cleverly. They kept the petrol. Not only the oil well is not enough, though. To tell you how much they hate you, they call you in Nigeria, yes, they despise you. They hate you. If not, why would they shut down all the cement factories and allow one man to import? And this is produce import. We have limestone in Ghana, Goranta, in Ebonyi State rotting away. Shut down. BCC in Biboko, shut down. Maybe you're not going to take it to the bad, not to produce, not to manufacture. Cement, but import cement powder and repackage. That's all that they do. And they claim they love you. They claim they want to see Nigeria progress. I am doing this program this evening to let the whole world understand that there is no basis for unity in Nigeria. Because the whole thing is based on evil and wickedness. Why? Because Fulani people are not hardworking people. They can't wake up by 5 or 4 in the morning to go to work. I challenge everybody. All those factories that you see in Lagos, in all those industrial, I challenge everybody everywhere in the world to tell me if they think that we can wake up by 4 in the morning to go to work in a factory. I challenge everybody. Show me one. Now listen. They took over cement, which is very critical. They took over oil itself. The only way that people, private individuals, share oil wells amongst themselves. That is not enough. Instead of moving that oil to the refinery to be refined, where we can find the jobs to make kerosene available easily, to make fuel available to run our car. No, not at all. To tell you how evil they are. Those claiming and shouting one Nigeria to tell you how satanic they are. They moved all those jobs abroad by shutting down all the refineries. Family. Understand? Now you see what they did. They now moved people abroad to the refineries that they built with stolen money from the public coffers. It doesn't end there. Denying you jobs is not the end. It's not even their problem. Now to bring that refined petrol back into Nigeria. You will not pay subsidy again to bring back into the country what left the country for free. Only if people can't reason. They took away cement sector, very critical in the building of an economy in the world.
Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? I'm sorry to our brother that made a post, a comment, and that comment happened to be deleted, and it's not intentional. I was trying to set because I noticed that my camera, to flip the camera, the button was not functioning properly. I tried to flip it back and it's not working. So that's what you can see, that the image are shaking because I'm trying to work on the screen to see why it is not, the sensor is not properly functioning. I don't know why. I'm trying to do some touch on that, and that's why most of the comments, your 2 comments have been deleted unintentionally. So please, I can't remember the person that made that comment. Just bear with me. Let me see why the camera is not responding. These days, it seems like someone is monitoring my devices. Each time I come live, I will start having 1 or 2 issues. I don't know why, to be honest, and I'm working on it. Just give me a moment. Let me see what I can do with that, because is not intentional. Okay, now the button seems to be working properly. Let me flip it this way and complete the audio message. So Chidubemo's message also has been deleted as well. So guys, it is not intentional. You can just put the comment back, please, so I can be able to read it. I have not even read the comment, and both two comments have disappeared. I was trying to fix the camera. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on time zone. Welcome back to my channel, and this is our broadcast. You know, we had late our broadcast, but not that other really late. Is that like maybe that we had a program around 10 to 11 p.m. Okay, last night Nigerian time. So here again, Biafran time, not Nigerian time. Biafran time. So we're back again this morning as well, and it is morning broadcast as well. Today is Saturday. Why I decided to broadcast now is because today is fundraising, so we need to also put that into consideration. So like the video, guys, as you join us, don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're new, and put your comment if you subscribe, because the comment box session is for those that subscribe to the channel. So for some of you may be wondering why am I not able to put comments, because you have not subscribed to the channel. If you subscribe, you can be able to put comments. So let's continue what was Oyendu said here, and we have many things to discuss or to react to this morning. So bear with us and don't forget to like the video as well, so that others will join us as we move forward. Thank you so much.
They took away oil, which is the only thing that you have, so to speak. They export it, they export it and they make money. They bring it back and you pay tax for it. Yet no refineries are working. That is how you have fuel subsidy. The meaning of fuel subsidy is that your refineries are not working. Not that they will not work if you don't depend, because fuel and shut it down. Then they will control your revenues. Few sectors. We must all eat, isn't it? Everyone must eat every day. We have to eat something. There is no food you cook in our land without salt in it.
Otutoma Adenile, thank you so much. Otutoma to you, my brother. Nice to have you. Nice to have you. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, you guys. Thank you. Please like the video. Please like the video. It's very, very important you do. Okay. That's the only way you can support on this video. It is free. Some of you act as if it is something that you must pay for it. And Godwin is here. Good morning to you, Godwin from Abidjan. Wow, not happy weekend to you. So guys, happy weekend to you all. And don't forget that today is fundraising. Okay, we are here not because of what, not because of Dangote. And we are here trying to lay, foundation and background to what we're about to discuss. Okay, thank you so much as we move forward. Just bear with us, don't go away. We have other things to discuss, including the upcoming protest and what is going on. Some of our brothers, the Igbo Efulefus and their comments, we are going to touch some of them as well.
No. You must have salt now. It's normal. You cannot have tea in the morning without sugar. Dangote. Ordinary Indomie. Dangote. There was a Biafran I met in the Netherlands. They want to bring Indomie into the zoo. I think he brought sample. They arrested him at the airport and put him in jail.
Oh God, she didn't give me he brought Indomie to Nigeria and then, oh my goodness. She didn't give God. Anyway.
For trying to disrupt Dangote's stranglehold on the, should I say, the ready meal industry, pasta and all this other rubbish that people eat. Only them. Only them. You cannot feed without contributing to Fulani domination of your life. In religion, those of you who are Muslims, Fulani is number one. Politics, they are number one. Army, they are number one. The police, they are number one. Everywhere, they are number one. Anytime you talk unity, they hate you, they kill you, they arrest you, they shoot you, anything, unity. Because they know what they're benefiting. The final game is to hand over our land and our forests to their brothers and sisters from the Sahel. And it's happening before our eyes. One shut down. Refinery. That could have employed millions of people. Ibocha down. Warren down. Even Kaduna. Who built Kaduna Refinery? It's not Obasanjo. They asked me, said he's diversifying the location of major industries. He wanted to please the Fulani masters that put him in power. They built Kaduna Refinery. You have to move oil all the way from the south to the north. They can pipe oil to the north and everywhere else, but they cannot pipe clean water to your homes. They cannot pipe gas to your homes. And they claim, they tell you, we protect one Nigeria. We are all Nigerians. We are going to make progress. Progress how? For how many years? How can you make progress by shutting down industries that employ people, rendering them unemployed, and importing into the country finished items and products that you could have produced in your country? Are you listening to me?
Okay, I assume that that is the end of the cut part of the video. I think the video must have been longer than this, but this is just 11 minutes plus. So we are here again, like I said. Let me flip the camera back. So we are here again to go through those things. And I noticed something, it seems like only my platform, only this platform is where people will be up to 7 people watching, and only 4 people feel happy to like the video. It's not as if what I'm saying is not true, or maybe you don't like what I'm saying. Some of you do, but you feel that you are making me rich, or I don't know what. I'm just assuming. And when I ask you to click on the like button, you don't even care to do that because you feel that why will I say something like that? But let me tell you something. The reason why click on when you hear people say like the video is because when you click on the that button, like button, you are encouraging others to watch this video. Do you understand? It's not as if once you click like button that there's one particular money that they're going to be deposited in my account. There's nothing like that. So whether you like the video, you don't like the video, it not affect financial part of the video or any financial part of the person that has the channel. So liking the video is just like, wow, that's what you are saying is worthy to watch. Like is worth watching. That you can tell other people to come and hear what this person says, or you want the owner of the platform to push the video for other people to see, something like that. It's not as if you are, I don't know why you guys are feeling like that, because I've noticed that when you have up to 50, 100 people, 200 people watching, as case may be, sometimes 1,000 views, and the video will be 33, 44. And when you check the people when you check the weird people, that video, people that watch it more, it's reporting Biafrans. The Biafrans are the one watching the video. And yet you will, mass well done. But little things you can do, you don't feel doing that. Today is fundraising. Some of us don't do anything about that. You just go there. Not even that you are watching the fundraising, you still don't like the video of this different media warriors or media personnel, showing you how the whole thing is going. If they refuse to show you, you'll be the one also to come out. Where is he even getting his money? I begin to believe that Nigerian government are paying him money. If you don't know the reason why Biafrans are broadcasting the fundraising, they can do it by telling you, okay, this is account, donate here, without streaming it live. And Biafrans will still contribute. Those that understand the need will still go there and vote and support. Do you understand it? So it's not as if you are doing it to help anybody. Somehow you are helping yourself anyway. So we are going to touch what Ojo Zakano said. Ojo Zakano, we all know him as a Nigerian politician, and one of the politicians from Southeast who love Nigeria so well, and who would not love Nigeria after benefiting what is benefiting from it. Everybody will love Nigeria like that, right? If Nigerians give every of us benefit, we are all have what Ojo Zakano is earning. Of course, some of us will be one Nigeria, right? We like it because one, you have opportunity to be rich, okay, without considering anybody. you have chance to loot money and be whatever you want to be without bothering without anybody questioning you. Your children, your wife, your lineage, your siblings, everybody don't struggle in life anymore. So imagine if you all can lay hands on the amount of money that Dr. Kano, is enjoying from Nigeria. Of course, we'll be shouting one Nigeria. So sometimes I don't blame them. I don't blame them for saying what they're saying and believing in what they believe. Somehow, not that I'm saying that they're doing the right thing. No, I will tell you why. They are enjoying everything they want to. They can go anywhere they want to go. If you want to go to US today, he will travel with a diplomatic passport. If you have any issue, he knows the embassies of Nigeria. Once he put call there, they will pick the call and attend to him. He can be in Nigeria and command ambassador of any country to assist his siblings or his children. He can also, buy houses without anybody tracing where the money comes from. He have right. There are many things they're enjoying that you yourself are not even dreaming of. So why will you join that kind of person to support something that is not benefiting? You are not benefiting anything from. You are just there. In fact, you are a victim of the enjoyment. They're enjoying because you are a victim. So victim celebrating and enjoying with the people who actually made them to be victim and put them where they belong, what they're going through, who have done something bad to them, and they don't care to pay attention to what is going on in their life and the source of their problem. They only focus on, I am from Abia State. I'm using Ojutokan in this case, in this scenario, because I don't want people to start saying, why are you not focused? Because if you check the real looters, I can start mentioning people from other places, like in the north, many of them in the north, in the southwest, in the middle belt and all that. But why I'm picking Ojutokan is one of the candidates of those people. He's just like them. So Ojutokan coming out just like other politicians, including those mushroom politicians that just start earning something or benefiting from the rotten system. They are not advising you. And remember, they were like you. They are going through what you're going through today, but they have struggled and managed to join the clique of those looters. They are now sounding like looters. They have forgotten their past life. Okay, that's on them. I'm not going to say much about that, but let me remind you that are still victim. Okay, you may not have chance to get to the level of Ojutokan or people like him. So when you are clapping for them because you are from Abia State, when people talk about Ojutokan, or maybe probably you are from his village, you have soft land when his name is being mentioned. You don't want to be so vocal in talking about his records. You want to be reserved. You don't want to talk. No. We can talk. Yes, we agree that Nigerian position, but why are you mentioning Ojutokan now? Is he the only one? That's the way you are accepting the criminal mindset of so-called Southeastern politicians. Advising people that you yourself have contributed in their downfall is very, very shocking. Now, let's go to his video.
I know times are very hard.
Okay.
But this is not the time that we should go to protest. Going on protest now, well, it might be beneficial for democracy, but it will not be expedient for our economic development. I want to appeal to all CSOs, all youths, all people who are thinking that what happened in Kenya can happen in Nigeria, to shape those plans. Give President Tinubu a little more time. It's too early to judge what he's doing. There's no president that will be elected by any country. I will be happy that the citizens are suffering. I know President Tinubu himself knows that we are hungry. He knows
He said we.
that we are suffering. He knows.
Okay. Then we are hungry. He knows that we yeah. Are you hungry? Really? Otokan is hungry. Wow. What food do you want to eat? Yeah, Chineke mele made bele. No kwa. Okay. Oh, he knows that you are hungry. He knows. Political brouhaha said that oh yeah, thank you, my brother. That's Frank Chuka said, good morning, sir. We are thankful to God for where we are today. Chatting from Igbo land. Please, my people, we must continue. Godwin Ezekiel, good morning from Abidjan. Okay, I think I have gone through that one. And Kechuku Mike is here. All hail Biafra. Mary, God bless. I think you say, may God bless Biafrans. Brother, I love you. I love your program. Well done. Thank you for the appreciation. And our own sister is here, Chineye MC. Greeting Mazikai. God bless and strengthen you and you too. Thank you guys that have managed to put comment and like the video. God bless you all. And we are going to continue with the say that he knows that we are hungry. And don't forget, he mentioned something very, very important. Like, I just wanted to put into that. He said that my God. He said that what happened in Kenya, for those people that are thinking that what happened in Kenya, we maybe, happen in they may try to do the same thing in Nigeria. That it kind of warning you. Just to remind you that if that's what you're thinking, that's going to happen, it's not going to happen. That Kenya is not Nigeria. I have seen many of them saying that, especially those politicians. And that reminds me, during 2015, 16, right? Excuse me. During 2015, is it 15 or 16 thereabout, when Masakano was moving, going from state to state, and wherever you go, a lot of people will come out in solidarity of agitation and support of what he stand for. So there's one political analyst from Southwest. I can't remember his name. I can't even remember the video at the moment, like the platform he mentioned that in. But he was a kind of challenging mass American. That you said Biafra. If there's no way this Biafra will come, if you want to, because that was the time they asked Master Makano, if this push get to short, are you going to war? He said no, that war truth is more potent than bullet or barrel. That's the way he put it. Like it is more better. Truth is more good or more vital, more crucial than going to war using blade and gun and all that. The man laughed. That he's a coward. If you want to break Nigerian, then you get ready to face Nigerian military. Why is he hiding? You don't need to bragging like that. You don't know there's time for everything. There is time to sleep, time to walk, time to dance, time to frown, time to eat, time to walk. There's time for everything. You don't just mix the time up. If you miss your time frame up, that simply means you are getting it wrong. When you're supposed to be in a classroom and you are somewhere, in the streets, moving like a cow, you are not going to, be happy with the outcome in future. So today, I'm struggling to see people like that think like that. What I'm trying to tell is this: when they say those of you thinking that what is happening in Kenya will happen in Nigeria, they are trying to condition your mind that Nigerians don't take nonsense. We are no nonsense politicians. We are no nonsense politicians. Don't dare it, because the Afonjas, Efulefu, Ifa Junaz, all of them are the one they call youth. Ifa Juna and Afonja, answering youth, Nigerian youth, gallant youth. Whereas you are Ifa Juna, whereas you are Afonja. So how can you make up reasonable youth? um, Buhari know these people very, very, very well. He knows that the youth, the so-called youth, and unsuccessful politicians, they are not those of them that want to be like Ifa Yoba and just a kind of this world, but they don't have the chance. This is what they want to be. They are just Afranjas, waiting and dreaming to be who their enemies are. Whereas they are still suffering of mind. Like Ikenga today, if you ask Ikenga, if God in heaven appeared to Ikenga today and say, Ikenga, tell me one thing you want me to give you in this life, he will tell you, based on what he said himself, he will tell him, God, I want to be well-known politician that represent so constituency from my Anambra, from I don't know if some people say that he's from Imo, some people say from Anambra, I don't know where he comes from. Wherever he comes from, but you understand what I'm trying to say. He want to be very, very, very popular in Nigerian political space. That is his dream. That is mindset. That's what he wants. Now, these are the people that you're expecting to protest, be ruthless, like Kenyans. When this one is telling you that somehow in deep down their mind, they are afraid of, they always checkmate these Afrojas. Are they repenting? No, are they trying to repent? Or they are still the way we consider them to be? This is what they want to tell you. And to him, he's highly convinced. I remember back then when Masanakano was, preaching the gospel in homeland, moving from place to place. Masanakano was not comfortable with that. He went to see Masanakano in Afarukuibe, and which Masanakano came out and told us what he said. This man here is the one that, when Masanakano said that they told me to be this and do that. They told Masanakano those things, in Kuje, and Masanakano refused. When after they released him, they also sent Ojokan, because Ojokan believed maybe he promised them that I can do better than what you told them in Abuja. Let me go to his house. We relate. He's my brother. He's my younger brother. He went and tried the same, try his luck again. Masanakano said no. It did not end there. He keep on pushing until Masanakano warned him that if you keep on coming, I may strangle you. Just be your, don't disturb me. You are disturbing my peace. Then he distanced himself. That is why after the kidnapping of Masanakano, he's not talking about Masanakano. Have you seen him talking much about Masanakano today? He's not. Maybe he will. Maybe one place. Maybe he mentioned about him, but he's not all that out like he was before. I don't even expect him to be, because him coming out is not to release him, but to bend him, to negotiate, to convince him, just like what they have used some of his lawyers to do in the past, trying to preach negativity to Masanakano, for Masanakano to believe and succumb. But today, he realized that Biafrans are not sleeping. And the surprise thing to them, I'm using Ojokan, he's not a scapegoat here, please. He's just like others. He's representing, in this video for now, he's representing all the Igbo politicians. So when I mention Ojokan, remember that I'm talking about all the Igbo politicians, Afranjas and the Fulefus, Ifajuna of our land. All right? Most of them are not helping matter. In fact, I started this program by that anybody that is making and sucking what they're sucking, only people that is being wired differently, that are from, their own connectivity is from above, from heaven, like Masanakano and PM, that can reject things that many of us will not reject. Do you understand? They are the ones that I call freedom fighters. Not that you are talking about, Biafra, speaking about, it does not mean that you are a freedom fighter. That's why when I see some of you, my comments saying, oh, keep fighting for us, keep fighting for us. No, don't come here. I'm not a freedom fighter. Until I prove otherwise. And that is the same measure that I gave everybody. I am giving it to myself. Because it's not about you talking about Biafra. When they push you to the extent of rejecting Biafra, are you going to push? Are you going to quit or not? So for me to call you a freedom fighter, yeah, you must get to that level, which I am not. That's why I told you I'm not a freedom fighter. Don't call me a freedom fighter. I'm not. I am broadcasting. I'm on my platform. Not a freedom. I'm not fighting for you. Okay? If you're not comfortable with PM and Masanakano, you are not in for freedom. You are just enjoying what you think that is better for you. I'm not. If I want to please, I'll be putting myself. I'm afraid I'm hardcore. You are not hard until something hard hits you. Then we know whether you are hard or not. So don't say I am a hardcore. I'm talking out of experience from DOS, because I am one of the people that believe that they're hardcore. When little things, so just minor things that are not even hard, come across them, all of them turn to account. Please don't, anybody that is speaking like me, or not even like me, people that are fighting, that you see today wearing beret, wearing putting flag behind their camera and all that. I don't take you serious until something hits you. Then I know if you are fighting for freedom or not. Okay? Like I said, I'm not fighting. I'm not a freedom fighter. I'm a Biafran. And Biafran is not a cultist organization. It's a national. This is my nationality. I don't know about you, and you are not in position to tell me where I come from. I am the one to tell you who I am. You don't tell me where I come from. That's one thing you need to understand to get it to your score. In case if you are commenting from Nasarawa or from Kaduna, please maintain your lane. Biafran is Biafran, and you have no right to tell me where my father come from. No, I am the one to tell you who I am and where I come from. And I'm not even the one that chose it. God made it so. So any freedom fighter, that's from DOS to the last person in their list. None of them is a freedom fighter. None of them. I'm telling you gospel truth. None of them are fighting for freedom, and that is just a fact. That's just a fact. None of them are fighting for freedom. Please, anybody that to get Biafran flag is not hard. I can put it here. All right. I can Ishiago and put it here. That does not mean that I am a freedom fighter. You have become freedom fighter when you're able to reject what PM have rejected, what Mazakan have rejected. Then I take it serious. Apart from these two individuals, every other person, none of us, nobody I don't see as a freedom fighter. You are not fighting at all until you prove otherwise. And that's my own criteria of a freedom. I'm not saying you should follow what I'm saying. I'm just telling you, okay, about myself, about what I feel, about what I think, and how I perceive something. Maybe your own may be different. It does not mean that we must not agree on everything. Sometimes we need to have our own focus differently. It's normal, okay? It is normal. But when you see people kicking against those that are fighting for freedom, like PM, like Pastor Mekano, that simply means you are deluded. You are not helping yourself. In fact, you are not. Ifajina somehow is better than you guys. Somehow. Because Ifajina, after everything, we know how he ended. Each and every of this world. Most of I can mention a lot. After you abandon Biafran or freedom of your people, you still go on to attack people that are still doing what you can't do. That simply means that you are just the virus. You are the virus. And my people, please, what Ojo Sokade is saying here is not, is not just coming from him. So many of them believe the same thing. Like I was saying that what he said during the time Masakan was moving, because I don't want to lose the line of my church. He came out and that he have visited people that Nigerian issue there's a way to discuss it. That's his statement. There's a way to discuss it. There's a place that you need to visit and hear from the people that own the country. He traveled to UK and he came back sounding this way. That he have talked to the people that matter. That when you discuss about Biafran to them, they were laughing. That's what I'm telling my people. That he's telling his people not to stop this Biafran. Okay, stop it. That is not nobody recognize it. Then you wonder why, because he felt that the way youth and masses are following Mas Namdekano, both are women, youth, old, young, throwing to Mas Namdekano's house and supporting him, chanting his name, discussing about him, putting things right. That somehow our people are waking up to stand for Biafra. That's what he believed. Then he realized that this country, before this country to divide, it's not in the hands of the people. That he must go to the office where they build where they have the file of the company, Royal Company, Nigerian Royal Company, that metaphors to Nigeria today, where they kept the file. He want to go and hear from those that are holding the file. Are you willing to allow the file to be destroyed? He came back thinking that that's the only option to get freedom. And today he's advising you on how to wait for Tinubu. I keep on saying this. Whether you protest, you do not protest. It's a win-win for Biafrans. I'm being honest. It's a win-win. That's why PM Nafun Ifafun and Suso came out and said this. We are not interested in protesting. You can go on with your protest, but don't take life of Biafrans. Because you understand the agenda. As you know, Nigerian people, I'm not talking about Biafrans now. Whether you are anywhere you come from, as long as you're not a Biafran, I'm talking to you. 99% of you people hate Igbos. And you hate Igbos, some of you hate Igbos, but you don't even know the reason. And your own reason somehow is, some of you have different reasons. Simply means you have nothing to prove about Igbo, against Igbo people. You talked about that Igbo, some of you say, they are the one, that Nigeria is not good today in the eyes of the world is because of Igbos. They will go out, they travel out and use Nigerian passport and commit mayhem. Okay. That one aside. You also said that Igbos import fake goods. They are the one importing fake goods. And they import those fake goods and they sell it to people. Okay? That's point number 2. Some of you also said that why would they allow them to be part of Nigerian government? Then they tried to leave the country and they couldn't succeed. If not that the Nigerian gallant men fought and away and stopped them. Okay, so therefore they have nothing to offer or to gain in Nigerian circle. That's another point, right? In all these points, I can go on and on, but in all these points, there's one thing they don't ask themselves. Are they the only one committing this thing that you're saying? Or do you somehow have some people from your place also committing the same thing? In terms of importation, I thought you have NAFDAC, you have custom. Who is, I don't know what they call the one in charge of custom. Who is their boss, like their chief, the person, the general overseer, or general, the custom general, I think they call that. Who is in charge? In NAFDAC, what happened to NAFDAC? Are they not working? Who is, if you import something today, you have to pay custom duties. Who check those goods? You don't, no, you don't care about it. But your focus is who, what the person that import the goods. As if the country don't have any law enforcement agents. Because you know that your brothers are the one in charge of it. You don't want to talk about it. I can stand here to debunk most of those things, but is of no use, because I know the agenda is that it is in your DNA. You know, when you tell a child, when we are growing up, we don't know many things about, our body. In the case of some women in Africa, in the Igbo land, for example, our mother don't tell our daughters, our sisters, that when you grow, you don't. They will tell you, don't touch man, don't go close to man, because if a man touches you, you become pregnant. And some girls grow up with that mentality that once a man handshake them, they are pregnant. What impact on the child may affect that child when he grow up? What you are telling people about, what you are telling them about Igbos when they are young, at age of 10, 11, 12, in the circle, in the family house, the way you guys discuss about Igbo people, they are sinking in their memory, in their body, and they grew up hating Igbos for no just reason. But, if you hate me, I can't hate myself. It is my duty to love myself the more. You do understand this? So, let's continue with what Rosanna said here. And Triple M is here. Triple M, my brother, good morning to you. Nice to have you. Nice to read from you. Actually, it is very, very nice. You said, honestly, Biafran freedom has long ago suffered illiteracy. That is true. That is the reason why some of Efulefu from Biafrans supporting the zoo, thinking it is same. Exactly. Thank God for our PM. He really know the game. I'm telling you honestly, and thank God to Master Mekan for exposing all the information that we need. And Biafrans are, we at least we know where we stand. Before, back then, 2010, I had an argument with some people, okay, that are not, they're not Igbos, but they're Nigerians. We were discussing about Nigerian government, how bad, then we said that things are bad. We don't even know that the bad is still ahead. Like this is 2027, right? In 2030-31, I don't, if Nigeria still exists, which I doubt, even if it exists, I mean, Biafra must have gone that time, I believe. Then people that will remain in Nigeria, it will be more difficult for them then. Coming in 2030, 2031, it will more hardship will increase then. Than they will think they will be praying to have the economy they're enjoying now, that are complaining also, because then people were still complaining, thinking that how many of you remember Vision 2020? That one is a story of the out of shame. They would have started another Vision 2035 or Vision 2040. But if they ask that, people will ask them, what happened to Vision 2020? I'm not here to tell you how to build Nigeria, because there's no way. I don't have the format, and nobody do. That's not the fact. So let's continue. Let me allow Ojokan to continue saying what he wants to say.
All the unions, the way it used to be. And I'm sure and I'm convinced that it's working on it. Please, my appeal might not be too heavy.
Thank God, Nema.
My appeal is just the youth, the CSOs, the NLCs.
Your appeal is to show Ahmed Tinubu that you also contributed in making sure that they did not protest against him. And we know this is you see other politicians, forget about what he realized. He knows that people also don't take him serious. That my appeal may not be heavy. My brother, our papa, our papa by age, you're not by brain, or you don't have anything to tell me. Our papa by age, you said that that your appeal may not be heavy. Thank God you know. But the truth is that this your appeal, okay, this your appeal for them not to protest or anything, is just for you to show solidarity to Tinubu. Most of them that are coming out to shout, no, don't protest, that's a way of showing solidarity, because Tinubu have his fire, checking everybody. Okay, what did the Hope Uzodinma said? Have he talked to his people? Yes. Baba, he don't talk to the people. Okay, mark him good. That one answer president. You go. Dave Omai, you just joined our party. We told you that you need to see your good work in this party. What did you say about the protest? Not Hope Uzodinma. Dave Omai have also made a statement. Okay, you are doing your own. We understand. You are submitting your file. That's what this video is all about. Submitting your own support. We understand that it's not about you yourself know that the protest. You actually deep down your mind you want the protest because they don't show you shaking. You remember your tears in Red Chamber. You cry like a baby. If anybody tell me that I will see your tears in this life, I will not believe you. The way we were singing about you, even she don't use you all this kind of black ball on the bokaina. Nibe we has a chacha was weak and black ball on the bokaina. Nibe we has a chacha. When people think that you guys are relevant, I'm gonna and this, ignorant like TPM Triple M has said here that our illiteracy have dealt with our people. To be honest with you. Shidodo was calling for this man and Wazurike, that Polondi Bukaina, and Ibewe has the chacha. We don't even know that these are the people that are pushing us back to Nigeria. And Nigeria, Nigeria, Ike Gukwa.
damage present infrastructure. Replacement is very heavy. This is 2024. The oil money is not running as it used to be. And I repeatedly...
That oil money is not running as it used to be. What happened to oil money? Because of the war in Biafran land. You will not admit it. You will, of course, you will not. You dare not. Otherwise, they will open your corrupt fires. That's why they will arrest him today, release him tomorrow, arrest him today, release him tomorrow. Many of them. I'm not saying they should arrest you, our papa by age. I'm not saying they should arrest you. They don't need to arrest you because all of them also, you know, they both the arrestee and arrestor. All of you are the same thing. Oh my goodness, too. God. These people are very, very funny. Yes, so who shall go? We never pray to you, my brother. Iko Tonye, we heard that after Iwanya came and lied to Biafran that he went to see Majnabukano in TSS why is not true, and he fell sick. Since then, he never get himself till he bye. That is a deep. I don't know how true that is. Iko Tonye, maybe it's true. Because what is good, I keep on saying it, the Biafran issue is more spiritual than physical. Forget about people that were talking about freedom, Biafra. Even if you don't want to talk, if PM and Massacre did not come today, I'm telling you, the spirit will also do something. Let's assume that people, all of a sudden, all of our people, everybody turn to vegetable. That we accept to be woman instead of a man that God made us to be, or we accept to be. You know, not Buscat is a kind of somehow, you know, can defend himself, right? Maybe let me use a snail, very shy and very weak. Maybe we turn to become that without being a woman that God made us to be. Just imagine that. The spirit of Biafra will never allow Nigeria to succeed. They will, even if Biafra, let's assume that the Biafran discussion end immediately, everything just go like that. Believe it or not, because if you like, bring Barack Obama, bring Netanyahu, bring who even Putin to rule Nigeria. They will always make mistake, and the mistake will lead the economy and everything to ground zero. The only country that have lived in this surface of earth that their own face is backward instead of forwardness is Nigeria. When you talk about this, they will tell you, oh yeah, if you hate Nigeria. It's not. How can you say you hate Nigerian? Because I'm telling you the way it is. Even you yourself know. Oh, the difference between me and you, because I summon courage to talk about, to say that this is what I see. Your own is that you don't want to say it because somehow you are waiting to become politician. I don't dream to become Nigerian politician. I'm just being honest. As long as God can give me, sustain me, to feed myself and my family, to cut off to have shelter and what again? To go where I want to go, afford my need. I'm not dreaming to have Dubai. Only me, I'm the owner of Dubai. No, I don't dream that. I have not even prayed for that. Okay, so it doesn't make any sense. My fear, one of my number one fear is my children facing what I'm facing. My children, you know, open their Facebook or come online and see the kind of comment others are talking about where we come from. That's my fear. So I don't want it. I don't want my children to face anything, injustice, experience, especially what we experience. If you travel abroad, problem. If you go back home, problem. If you want to establish business in Nigeria, problem. Even if you in your own father's house, they'll send a military. What kind of life is that? What is purgatory again? They talk about hellfire. Where is hellfire? I'm not saying there's no hellfire, but I cannot be alive rehearsing hellfire while we are still living. Come on. That you want me to be rehearsing hellfire on the surface of earth? No, now. That's not how it should be. And PM and Mazamukano they have done, you know, a lot of good things, a lot of goodies. Now continue.
I told you people this when you wanted to go on strike sometime in 2020, 2021. Buhari is not the owner of this country. Today, Buhari is in Daura. Tinubu is not the owner of this country. Some years, latest 8 years, Tinubu
Anyway, you have done well. At least but the only thing that I can notice that the camera that you use in shooting this video, I hope Tinubu eyes will be able to see, because maybe without you are not the one speaking, because the camera is quite poor. It looks somehow. As a man of your eye, you're supposed to be using iPhone now. What I can sense Android here, to be honest. Anyway, we have to move to another thing. All right. Like this morning, today is Saturday. We are not running to go anywhere. We will try our best to spend some time here. We are heading to 1 hour in the program. The spirit of Biafra has woken up in full time. Triple M, good morning from here, and that is equal to a greeting you, Triple M. And Triple M said he even went on to say, if he is lying to Igbos, let the land of the Igbo buy him. Woo, did he say that? Hey, that is talking about the Wayan. Did he say that? Now, wow, that reminds me of the one that Ijele said in Dubai, no, in Turkey, that let his children, he let curse on himself. Anytime he rise against Igbo people, that he don't joke with Igbos. People can go far. Anyway,
I know times are very hard.
So, Sarah Reporter have this. For those of you that are protesting and complaining, we talked about the children that were recruiting in Nigerian army, and we discussed about it, and we show our concern that it's not good at all. It is not good to see children going on with carrying a catapult on Okoro, moving around, trying to, in the name of being an army, you're a Nigerian soldier, and all that. You're underage. So for them, because now they want to recruit personnel, Nigerian army and all that, they decided to go to what they normally do, which is this. Nigerian government moves 400 Boko Haram ex-convicts, 400 ex-convicts to Gobe for reintegration program. Reintegration to who? To Nigerian army. Look at them. When you say that Boko Haram, when PM said they send terrorists in our land to buy our people, to burn our houses, that we are going to resist. Some say, oh, he's just saying, they are not terrorists. They are not terrorists. Look, one thing is this: you cannot lie to everybody. There are some people that you lie to. Every statement that PM said, our Master Kano have said, is not propaganda. If you live and dine and wine with propagandists, everybody is not like you. Look at the news. It's not from me. It's not from the Biafran government in Israel. Neither is it from Biafran media warriors. This is Sahara Reporters. You can go there and check it. Check the Twitter. This is what they post. This is 14 hours ago. All right, because I saved this video. I shared it on one of my Twitter account, where I just shared. The account is just to share. I'm considering to open official Twitter account for Kai Report platform. Maybe I will do that, because this one I don't post anything. I only share some things that I want to share there. That's all. So I shared it here 14 hours ago, and when I shared it, it was just like maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes. They posted it. I got notification. Look at it. Nigeria government moves 400 Boko Haram ex-convicts to Gombe for reintegration program. And guess why they want to send? Where they want to send these guys? Guess where? Oh, you don't know? Okay. If you don't know, go to PN's Twitter and follow him. Make sure you follow him and turn the notification on everything. Set it on Twitter. PM is not in Facebook. He's not on YouTube. He's not on Twitter, TikTok. PM is only on X, which is called Twitter. So go there and see it for yourself. Not me. Okay, not from here. I'm only trying to tell you to recommend to you what you need to see, and then that may answer your question. Boko Haram members, the whole world knows this. And one thing is this: when they deny that they don't recruit Boko Haram in the program. The news keep on coming. Not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, not 6. Oh, you are buying Nigerian soldiers. Oh, why? How these are the people that the king and his group will be calling, and China will be calling to comb our forests. So go houses. Imagine you as an Igbo person inviting Boko Haram to your fellow Igbo man's house. Oh, because to you they know it's no longer Boko Haram. They're baptizing. Do they baptize the mentality and the faith? These are the people that many Nigerians army have come out to criticize. That once they notice that they are from Southeast and they're Christian, it becomes a problem. Why wouldn't it be a problem? When they themselves understand that you, as a Christian, you are the one of the people that they are chasing to make sure they buy you in Abuja, in some part in the north. If not for PM, anyway, people would have some of them that are talking now maybe would have been in DSS, not in DSS, in IDP camp. They called it IDP camp. Most of them, and people like Ojo Okano, you are advising people on how to do this and do that. Odumeje have a word for you. Let me bring Odumeje to reply you a bit.
You are completed what you call mobility. Say, I am mobility. I am mobility. Speak louder. I am mobility. I am mobility. Say, I am mobility. I am mobility. No, you have already passed Mugu. Now you are a mobility. If somebody can sell his property to go and do juju, you are no more a Mugu. You are a what? Mobility. Mobility. Say mobility. Mobility. Say mobility. Mobility. No, why I went to go and do juju because I'm the pillar of my family. Oh, the pillar make you to become mobility. Because I need money. Okay, you are the pillar that make you to sell your television. Because pillar that make you to sell your phone. Now, after you sell your phone, where is your new phone? Android phone. Android phone. Android phone. Android phone I use.
Odumeje said that you guys are mobility.
You are completed what you call mobility. Say, I am mobility. I am mobility. Speak louder. I am mobility. I am mobility. Say, I am mobility. I am mobility. No, you have already passed Mugu. Now you are a mobility. If somebody can sell his property to go and do juju, you are no more a Mugu. You are a what? Mobility. Mobility. Say mobility. Mobility. Say mobility. Mobility. No, why I went to go and do juju because I'm the pillar of my family. Oh, the pillar make you to become mobility. Because I need money. Okay, you are the pillar that make you to sell your television.
Exactly.
The pillar that make you to sell your phone.
The DS and all the criminal politicians in Biafran land are mobility. Automatically translated. My brother, you know, sometimes we need to pay the better attention. He's very hilarious. He's very one of I don't know what to, some people say he's a comedian, but I don't see him as a comedian. That's the way he is. Odumeje, you are mobility. You are mobility. Let me see another Momo post. What is his name?
When I was growing up, telling me that I'm the leader of tomorrow. They keep telling us that we're the leaders of tomorrow, right? We are taking our leadership. And then you call us mad people. This is what you feed me when I was growing up, telling me that I'm the leader of tomorrow. I never woke up to see that day, so I finally took it. End police brutality. I was a victim of police brutality. I don't want my children to be victims. We will be here. You want to crocodile smile us? We'll smile back at you. We will die anyway if we don't come out. It's either the system kills us or we die. Trying.
Oh, for you to talk about crocodile smile, it simply means that you're from Southeast and you are here carrying a placards about ENSAS, which I'm not against ENSAS protest, but the way it ended proved that you guys are cowards. I'm being honest. Cowards. Any of you that went to that protest, but I don't blame all of you because they throw tribal card. Once tribal card kick in, the whole thing turned upside down. You know, I'm avoiding bringing issue of regional discussion, like discussing Fulani, Yorubas, Hausas, and Igbos sometimes, but we cannot avoid it because one of the source of the problem that lead people to become mobility, that made most of them to become mobility in the world of Odumeje, is the tribal sentiment. All right, some of us are totally blind in terms of finding out what Nigerian represents. You are protesting and fighting for something that is not even in existence. Now, the answer that I'm going to give you is from Odumeje.
Then after you say your phone, where is your new phone? On your phone. On your phone. Now don't tell me. On your phone, that is. You are completing what you call mobility. Say I am mobility. I am mobility. Speak louder. I am mobility. I am mobility. Say I am mobility. I am mobility. No, you are already past mogu. Now you are a mobility. If somebody can sell his property to go and do juju, you are no more a mugu. You are a what? Mogulity. Mogulity. Say mogulity. Mogulity. Say mogulity. Mogulity. You know why I went to go and do juju? Because I'm the pillar of my family. Oh, the pillar.
Now, let us go through the post, the write-up of another mobility. Another mobility from Chadway is playing out here. Another mobility is here. My dear Nigerian youth, una know say all die and die. Okay, in case some of us see the fear, but we finish what we started. Okay, finish all was that. The only way for the future of our kids and a new Nigerian that we deserve. You don't deserve it. Let's all come out and dance in the street because now we be government. Victory must be ours. Then never begin shake. Then go here. Noise their father. Nonsense. Okay, then go here. Nonsense their father. This is another mobility.
You have already passed mogu. Now you are completed what you call mobility. Say I am mobility. I am mobility. Speak louder. I am mobility. I am mobility.
You know, that speak louder got me, to be honest with you. Say, speak louder. I am a mobility.
Say I am mobility. I am mobility. No, you have already passed mogu. Now you are a mobility. If somebody can sell his property to go and do juju, you are no more a mugu. You are a what? Mobility. Mobility. Say mobility. Mobility. Say mobility. Mobility. No, why I went to go and do juju? Because I'm the pillar of my family.
We have another post, another mobility in the name of Bishop Onoha. I want to know the picture of this Bishop Onoha. Let me see if Google can give me Bishop Onoha. Who is Bishop Onoha? Let me see if Google will give me the picture. Just a moment, please. Let me put Odumeje to be saying, telling us mobility.
You are completed what you call mobility. Say I am mobility. I am mobility. Speak louder. I am mobility.
Speak
I am
louder.
mobility. Say I am
Speak
mobility.
louder.
I am mobility. No, you have already passed mogu. Now you are a mobility. If somebody can sell his property to go and do juju.
Bishop Ono.
You are no more a mugu. You are a what? Mugulity. Mugulity. Say mugulity. Mugulity. Say mugulity. No, why I went to go and do it because I'm the pillar of my family. Oh, the pillar make you to become mugulity. Because I need money. Okay, you are the pillar that make you to sell your television. Because pillar that make you to sell your phone. Now, after you sell your phone, where is your new phone? Now, your phone. Your phone. Now, don't them. Your phone. You are completing what you call mobility. Say, I am mobility. I am mobility. Speak louder. I am mobility. I am mobility. Say, I am mobility. I am mobility. No, you have already passed mogul. Now you are a mobility. If somebody can sell his property, you go and you are no more a mogul. You are a what? Mobility. Mobility. Say mobility. Mobility. Say mobility. Mobility. No, why I went to go and do shoot because I'm the pillar of my family. Oh, the that make you to become mobility because I need money. Okay, you are the pillar that make you to sell your television. Because I pillar that make you to sell your phone.
Okay. This is a post from this one Bishop Onoha. Let me odumede ozukwenen wended. Just a moment.
You are completed what you call mobility. Say, I am mobility. I am mobility. Speak loud.
Each time he says big loud, I make me feel, oh my goodness, they are all mobility. Okay. Now, this Bishop Onoha. Okay, let me bring this man here. He is the one that said this. He is the one that said this, I believe. Bishop Onoha said federal government should lead campaign for ECPA's extradition. Bishop Onoha. This is from Vanguard, I believe. Okay. This is from Vanguard newspaper. And this is what they put here. And then this is just today's news, 27. Okay. Okay. Now, let me show you the so-called Bishop Onoha. Look at Oyago, look at him. Bishop Dr. Sunday N. Onoha is the founder of President of Vision of Africa, which focus on bringing network of faith communities to share God's love, and empowering the grassroots, which help build Nigerians' indigenous capacity to solve problems and cure society's ills from the inside out. For the inside out. A former pastor and chairman of youth for the Abia State government. Okay, no wonder. He is the executive director of Nigerian Interfaith Action Association, the largest Christian-Muslim collaboration in the history that provides a platform for interreligious collaboration to end malaria in Nigeria. He was appointed as special assistant on privatization in the presidential cabinet of Nigerian President Olusegun Obasanjo in 2003. Okay, in 2003, and was consecrated as a bishop in Nigerian Methodist Church. Oh, no wonder, no wonder. Look at him here. So the picture that I just showed to you was his old image. Now he have grown fat after receiving this appointment that you see, that you can see here. Look at him here. Bishop Dr. Sunday Eno Onoha. So I believe that this is the same man that is now making headline in Vanguard newspaper of today. Okay, look at federal government should lead campaign for ECPA's extradition. Bishop Onoha. We cannot, like I said, remember this is a politician, okay? He has served from Abia State. And the Araquem from the same state. Like Abariba and just Can. He said, where is Can? Does Can exist? Can is just like Kunkum now. Can milk. Only making noise, no action. Only noise. I say can go on, can bend to his na Benue State. Can according to it's not can. Onoha is part of the establishment. Exactly. Oh no, just imagine. You know the picture. Let me show you. Just for example, some of you will say, "Oh, he's getting old." Look at him. You see this face here. This skin here. Don't look about the youthfulness or maybe the look. The skin here, his jaw, his neck. Just check the skin, because skin you actually determine how the quality of your food. Skin first, not about fat, forget about fat. Now just check the freshness of this skin and that of the one when he's now old. The skin is supposed to be shrinking, but you can see here he's getting, somehow the skin looks so manageable here, at least to compare this one. Meaning that this one's supposed to be his old picture, where the skin is supposed to be, should be more fresh as a young man. Then after passing some years and things in the life and going through a lot, and instead he's now looking more fresher in terms of skin. You can see skin is somehow polished here a little bit than, even though he have a natural bad skin, to be honest. And here he looks, you can see the wrinkle in his hair, his eyes here, and all that, indicating hardship. And this is supposed to be the old throwback picture. But now, in 2013, look at him here. I don't know when this video, but from the title here, I believe it happened. This one, it was 2013. Who knows how he looks now? Let me go to the image. Maybe I can see his recent picture. Let me go to the image. This is Google. Let me go back to this is from the website that they built called Global Peace Foundation. They make a peace. Now a demand for an edition of another person. He's man of God though. Don't forget, man of God. Touch not my anointing. And go book anointing. Anyway, you guys are insulting God. Let me see if I can. Okay. Now I can. Oh, he's not age. Okay, even his recent picture with not really age, but still, if you look at him, you know that church, Methodist church anyway. Methodist church, what do you expect? I'm looking for the picture that I will show to you, the one that will make more sense. He's 60. This was 60 years anniversary, and okay, let me show you the one that. Let me open up the one that he has his picture. This should be his Facebook. It will make more sense. Let's see if you can go through his Facebook. Why I'm bringing? I just want to know the image and the face of the person calling for rendition of PM. Okay, this one is February this year, I believe. This is his Facebook. Okay. You know, one thing about internet is that once you think you can hide, you don't somehow you may not succeed though. Look at him here with Audrey. Is it that's the name of this current Abia State governor? Look at him. Let us open. Ndị a bụ ndị na-ekpere Chukwu. Enjoying your life in Texas after looting. A politician that that's why I like Catholic Church. They stand for everything. You don't just bring your old age to talk nonsense. Look at Nina celebrate. This is a man of God, though. Celebrating his colleague. Can look at it. And this post was made when? When was this post? Let me see. How will I find that the date? Is it because I'm not following you? When did he make the post? "64 years of Joseph Gano." Okay, the Facebook did not return the date of the post. Look at him now. This is the man. The federal government should lead the campaign. So look at today, which watch World Friday, 2nd of March, 2024. Just for you to understand, 2024. Just a March, April, May, June. Okay, look at him, 60 years. So we can go on and on with his picture, but at least we have seen the image of the person talking, right? We have seen the image. Look at Bishop on and you are mobility. You are mobility. I am mobility.
Say you are completed what you call mobility. Say I am mobility. I am mobility. Speak louder. I am mobility. I am mobility. Say I am mobility. I am mobility. No.
Equal to it. That one is not. Nobody's negotiating that one now. Whether it says not like you believe that if somebody done something bad and you're supposed to push him out, or you'll be saying that he's anointed one, don't touch the anointing. God did not make that statement for him. He made it for the anointed truly, and those that are anointed don't even behave the way he's behaving. This one is a political stooge. You know, that's why, like I said, Catholic Church will not allow you to go to that extent. And he is a politician, but using church to cover up. Pure politicians, everything about him is politician. Forget about. That's why they don't follow the rules. They always want to be. You want to marry. You want. Let's not talk about church. Forget about that. Let's continue, please. I don't want to go there. That will take us much time. Okay, forget about it. Let's continue. He's just a mobility, to be honest. Just a mobility.
You have already passed Mugu. Now you are a mobility. If somebody can sell his property to go and do juju, you are no more. You are a what? Mobility. Mobility. Say mobility. Mobility. Say mobility. Mobility. No, why I went to go and do shoot because I'm the pillar of my family. Oh, the pillar made you to become mobility. Because I need money. Okay, you are the pillar that made you to sell your television. Because I pillar that made you to sell your phone. Then after you sell your phone, where is your new phone? Android phone. Android phone. That's not the way. Android phone that it is. You are completed what you call mobility.
Okay, let's move to this from Koiki's platform. I just want us to understand. I have not played the video. Let me play it first before.
We want you to come to our aid. This is what they are doing. Tomorrow, please, I want you people to come to our aid. This federal government food here, and they are changing it and share it to the market. They are changing it, not for sale. And now they are changing it to another bag. They wanted to sell it in the market. But we hijack them here that they will not take the food out until they share the food to the people that are supposed to be. And the person said it that he have the allocation from Ministry of Agri. Please, I want you to come to our aid. We want you to come to our aid. This is what they are doing. Tomorrow they say government. This is not for sale. Federal government assists food. Please come to our aid.
Okay, for those of you from Southeast that want to protest the hardship when you want to do this, where is your own food? Where is this? Because the video here is from Southwest. And Koike said 419 countries everywhere corruption. Zoo, we're a country, we're a people, born bastard. You can sense anger on Koike's voice. And okay. And they're here, in their hideout, trying to change the bag and sell it and make money. Then pretend that government have not helped them and all that. Giving food is good, but that's not solution. After the food finish, what else? The record will be there that federal government feed you, okay, without giving you work. It's better for you to have something that will be earning money to sustain and buy food for yourself, and to even cultivate food, or if you want, on your own, and go to your farm and come back peacefully without facing herders. But that's a story for another day. The only thing I want to ask here is, where is your own food? You from Southeast, is it that they did not give it to you, or they gave it to you and they did not even have chance to know where they are bagging it? Because in the Southwest, they have seen where they are bagging their own. Where is your own? Anyway, the time you realize that Nigeria is not for you, it's better. That's the word of Asad Dokobo. And we cannot, tell you everything. Sometimes you need to experience it by yourself. Then you will tell us the story. It may make more sense if you witness it. If Nigeria hit you, maybe it will be better.
The people are hungry. I bought one beast today. One tin beast. I bought it 380 naira. 380 naira. One kilo of the beast now is 3,000 naira. This is what they are doing. This is what they are doing with Nigerian food. This is what they are doing. This is what they are doing. They will rebag it and sell it. This one is beans. This one is corn. And this is millet. See them here. See our food, Gary. See what they are doing. Please come to our aid. Not for sale. They are selling it in the market. Please. And the man even making noise that he can do something. He can up to anything. He's not up to anything. I told him that he can't do me anything. I will expose them. This is what they are doing. As far as I stand with my truth, nobody can do me anything in my life. This is what they are doing.
Okay. And Diana said, whoever that is, okay, let me, Favor Timothy says, let him go ahead and do it by himself. All these bad heads will soon watch the film that is coming. That is it. And Diana, the film have started. I don't even need to wait. This film have started. You think that Nahaji Ayoma, when they recruit Boko Haram, 400 Boko Haram in Gobe State for reintegration, if you Diana said, whoever that is talking about what Nigerians should go and see what is going on in the between Europeans, and Muslim today, but before they thought they can live with Muslim without problems. It's only if they don't even need to go far to Europe to see it. Some of us, some of Africans, not Nigerian or any tribe now, or some of black people don't learn from what happened to their brother. We can only learn from things that happen to us. Not one. Some people, some will not even learn something. They will not learn anything until when it happened to them one, it must happen to them multiple times. So going to Europe to see to learn from that may not be the answer, because as long as you have for you to hear what does not determine the size of your ear does not determine your ability of hearing or listening to something. So if you like have you let your ear be very, very big like that of rabbit, it's not a guarantee that you hear something. Your hearing system is inside, not the one, not the outer part of your ear or outer layer of your ear that determine how you can reason or hear anything. Something he said, good morning, my lovely fellow Biafrans. Biafrans are greeting you. Good morning, my lovely fellow Biafrans. We are greeting you also. Like the video, guys, please. And we have been here for 1 hour, 31 minutes, and we have a lot of viewers, but only 21 people, show us pity by because to you is a pity. You're showing us pity, right? So you just managed to click on it. Thank you so much for those of you that have liked the video. I appreciate it so much. So let us go to what this person said, and let me flip the camera back so I'll be able to bring the video of this our brother. Two of them are the video that is video that I want you to listen and very, very well, because both of them made a very vital point, a very good point that I want you to hear. But before then, let me repeat the video of prophecy that I gave it, that a man of God gave to Ndelugu and people of the eastern part of Biafran land. People of the eastern part, because we are all eastern part, right? Even though they said we are southern, south, and all that. He said something, and I would like you to hear that. It's in Igbo language. Please bear with me on that. But it's all about Peter Mba, the governor of Enugu State, and again about the upcoming sit at home, which will start in next 2 days. Okay, a day before that sit at home will start on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then Friday. So please hit like button equal to thank you so much. Thank you. So let's pay attention for about this prophecy, so that you will share it to many of your family and friends. After this program also, I need to discuss with about this issue. To be honest, pay attention. This prophecy is not for Enugu State alone. Anambra, Imo, Abia, Ebonyi, Delta, Cross River, Calabar, those areas, and River State. Pay attention. This atom is not a atom that you normally do strong head. I can make you the boss, okay? Now, you want to buy something, you want to check something. Be very, very, very careful. Very, very, very careful. You don't need to wait until you become a victim of these governors before you realize that you need to be mindful of what you are doing. Just pay attention.
ezi ozi nwanne ozi na-abịa just that m post on Facebook ashado band ya ezi m si na mbịazi ka m dozi ya our prime minister Simon Ekpa ewepụta our social media ga-emebidezie n'ezi ozi na-abịa ozi bụ na line ụta ozi na-abịa onye nkobiwa ahụ maka a na-esi nwee nnukwu anwụ nwafọ Igbo ka m ga na-asụ ịmaga ihe m na-ekwu gaa chọọ intaprita ga-atapriti ya esi m anwụ na-agba ndị mmadụ.
Okay, I noticed that the volume may not be audible enough for you. Let me flip the camera so that it, at least, the most important thing is for you is not for you to see the person talking, but for you to hear the message, please. That's the most important part. And I believe that if you can hear what is, some of you have seen the video, but for the sake of those that have not or listen to the video, please, that's why you need to share the message and like the video so that people will watch all this that we have discussed and learn from it.
Aga m emezi ndụ m emezi ka m keta oke n'aka Chukwu nna mgbe inye aka Chukwu bịara n'elu ụwa nwanne ọ bụkwa ọganihu a sị ụgwọ ọrụ onye mmehie ọnwụ ọnwụ ọtụtụ m unu ga-asị m na o tere m na-adịbeghị esi ozi nwanne ozi na-abịa just that m post na Facebook ashado band ya ezi na m gasị ka m dozi ya our prime minister Simon Ekpa ewepụta our social media ga-emebidezie n'ezi ozi ọwụrụ ozi na-abịa ozi bụ na line ụta ozi na-abịa onye nkobiwa ahụ maka a na-esi nwee nnukwu anwụ nwafọ Igbo ka m ga na-asụ ma ịmaga ihe m na-ekwu gaa chọọ intaprita ga-atapriti ya esi m anwụ na-agba ndị mmadụ n'Enugu steeti a na-asị Peter Mbaga ga-atosu anwụ anwụ na-agba n'Enugu steeti anwụ na-agba ndị mmadụ na-ebe akwa ma Peter Mbaga ga-atosu anwụ na-agba ndị mmadụ biko ndị Enugu steeti 4 days Oluhala from now that's one of the number 4 days so that ka nwa Peter Mbaga tosuru ka ọ bụrụ sọsọ ya ka ọ ga-agba ihe m na-ekwu ihe eziri m ezi ekekere ụwa Chukwu okike abịa ama chi nke Biafra na-akpọtu ị ga-afụ ozi ya na dịfo ndị
Okay, something said I should repeat it. Let me take it back again, okay? Let's watch it again. Then this will be the last time, okay? Please.
Aga m emezi ndụ m emezi ka m keta oke n'aka Chukwu nna mgbe inye aka Chukwu bịara n'elu ụwa nwanne ọ bụkwa ọganihu a sị ụgwọ ọrụ onye mmehie ọnwụ ọtụtụ m unu ga-asị m na o tere m na-adịbeghị esi ozi nwanne ozi na-abịa just that m post na Facebook ashado band ya ezi na m gasị ka m dozi ya our prime minister Simon Ekpa ewepụta our social media ga-emebidezie n'ezi ozi ọwụrụ ozi na-abịa ozi bụ na line ụta ozi na-abịa onye nkobiwa ahụ maka a na-esi nwee nnukwu anwụ nwafọ Igbo ka m ga na-asụ mmadụ ihe m na-ekwu gaa chọọ ntakrịta ga-atakrịta igwe esi m anwụ na-agba ndị mmadụ n'Enugu steeti.
Okay.
A na-asị Peter Mbaga ga-atosu anwụ. Peter Mbaga ga-atosu anwụ. Anwụ na-agba n'Enugu steeti, anwụ na-agba. Ndị mmadụ na-ebe akwa na Peter Mbaga ga-atosu anwụ. Anwụ na-agba ndị mmadụ. Biko ndị Enugu steeti 4 days oruhala from now gaa chọwa nụ n'ụlọ Yori nọrọ n'ụlọ 4 days so that ka anwụ a Peter Mba tozuru ka ọ bụrụ sọsọ ya ka ọ ga-agba.
Okay.
Ihe m na-ekwu ihe eziri m ezi ekekere ụwa Chukwu okike abịa ama chi nke Biafra na-akpọtu ịdị afọ ozi ya na dị ifo ndị pa.
Okay, that is the end of the short clip, but it has a lot of information on it. I said it before that Peter Mba trying to copy Hope Uzodinma is very, very dangerous. And Peter Mba is not more intelligent than Soludo of Anambra State. I'm not saying that Soludo is. I'm not saying that Soludo is the best one to emulate his style of governorship. But you just started your governorship rigging in Enugu State, and you don't need to start making enemies as a new person in the governorship gubernatorial seat of Enugu State. What he should have done is that, okay, imagine that what happened in Abia State happened in Enugu State. You see how Governor Oti, what he did. I'm not saying that the Oti is a saint. I'm just trying to compare the two evil. Okay, Governor Oti I don't have any problem with him. He's not my enemy. Peter Mba is not my enemy. I don't have any personal problem with him. I don't have any personal problem with him. What I'm trying to say is, if you are intelligent, that you claim you are, that's why you actually, decided to contest for governorship. Because you see yourself that you have what it takes, that you merit it. You believe in your capability, believe in your intellect. You think that you can do one or two things to fix the country, to fix your state, and to better the life of your people. That's why you decided to come out to contest. And somehow to loot. Of course, that's primarily your number one target is to loot money. We know that. All of you are, from federal to state to local government, all of them are, the number one priority is to loot. But while looting, you think that you can do one or two things to help your people. How can you choose to fight or to make yourself as an enemy or a target of all the things that you want to go and check their strength? You want to check the sense of Biafrans? That's is a grave mistake. Anybody that is smart, even if your own mobility is too high, you should have watched Imo State, see how Imo State. The only place that Hope Uzodinma is governing in Imo State is Owerri. He's not even 100%. That is why, what I told you, when some of the DOS traveled to Imo State and started making videos, oh, there's no state at home. People are here. Am I not here? Nobody knows these people. You see, and after saying those things, they are still moving around, broadcasting, and nobody is questioning them. Look, what you said before, we can tell you that you are not saying the truth. Nobody is questioning them on that. They are free to say anything they want to say and get away with it. So Enugu State need to wake up and question their governors. Question your governor. The past governor of Enugu State has a lot of issue in terms of how people perceive him, the stance of his leadership, but he did not pick fights publicly with Biafrans. You know, when Satom started, after the kidnap of Master Namadekano, he is one of the governors that did not come out publicly to make a public speech. Which some politicians in Enugu, like Chimaroke Namani, I saw that, I learned this from Chimaroke Namani's platform, where he was criticizing the same governor, that past governor, Ifa Ugwai, for not condemning sit at home at all. This is to tell you, just hold on, let me pause the video. This is to tell you that this governor, this current one, Peter Mba, is doing what is, because Peter Mba is a houseboy, or is Chimaroke's boy. Chimaroke is his godfather. Okay? Not godfather, not political father, not godfather, please. Political father. Because Chimaroke, I don't know. Is he a Christian? I don't know. So he chose to follow what his Oga has been preaching, to go after condemn at home and do that. And this one did not waste time to condemn that. About we condemn it's not okay Potania. You can make even on you. Anyway, please, if you are living in Enugu State, all this that I'm saying now is to let you know that you need to be careful the day of this at home and obey this at home. Don't just allow yourself to be the stick that we use to test how deep ocean is. So be careful and play smart. Their own Biafran answers when Biafra comes. That's what Simon said. Samson, I mean. Okay, that's what he said. And we are going straight to the video that I told you about. So that would be, we are trying to round up the program. Let me start with just a moment. Let me bring it up. So we have touched the one and remain more two to go, then we end the video. Just a moment. Okay, so let's hear from this our brother. Let's hear from him.
Join this protest. When I never know. Join this protest. Over yes, other system. Over Bodoria Sinan. Over turn upside down. So if I'm going to look at us, we're turning upside down. If I'm going to look at us, just had the system. Has to go to a dossier. I wouldn't even know. Their president. Their vice. In a strategic point, I say, politics is not like that. That's all you.
Okay, disclaimer, I'm not supporting any violence. I mistakenly turned off the camera to, body of these people in different land. So it's not intentional. We are not here to promote any violence at all. So let's go there. We are actually trying to have, okay, that's what they're preaching. That's what we're here for, to promote any violence. It is not intentional. Accidentally, the camera just my scroll button just ran to that video, and I have to turn it immediately. Thank you.
over the I go guy over woman but go to me them. I will even as allow sending if bad I won't lie. Even the over when they are workers so evil, you do below banana. If only over the you know, even I will go to more you think ahead of them. Ocean over. They got no go to you go not to go near beg Igbo. It's an Igbo like I'm from Nigeria, I'll say are you Igbo? On them when they over. Why must they mention your name first before others? Ocean over. Jealousy. They become Muguasa, they be me 1 year and but never my use service in Alafia. I am machine without plate number. Police say stop for one day from police in for 1 day. Yagi Nata 1 year, 1 full year. Nataya Lenya. Can they be Kenyan?
You can't try it now.
Lagos, police on our wall. Today, I stop even in Lagos to get an embassy for Macandigo. So, if I'm not as a policeman, no matter in the trigger test, commando in a deep way. It was a quadrant to the quadrant of the year, Jaffy. Almost 10,000, 5,000 in the Nebia book, we got one year story. So, at least, it was a protest here, and at least I get like 5 million. But only take it, I got it. But over the Jew, you can make it at home. Or I'm on at least I take like 10 to 15 million as a police or as an animal. You don't get like 250,000 go to stop one. It's not about what I go to no. At least 100,000. The rice here was 100,000. Geo will depend on how many tubers each legal. One from date depend on the size. So eventually, Buna and Sondo, Ewasia, Natapa Hego, police, army, Natapa Hego, Ndi will run no. But
Very truth. Very, very truth. You have said it all. Okay, let's listen to this brother.
For that matter. But this girl is asking me, Deputy Jesus, why you don't want the Igbo to participate in the protest coming up? Are they not part of those suffering together with other parts of Nigeria? We are not cowards. We are not sheep. Rather, we are goats. A stubborn goat for that matter. Goat here means greatest of all tribes in Nigeria. I repeat, we are goats, the greatest of all tribes in Nigeria. We are not just the richest, but the strongest, because we have been tested and trusted to be the only tribe that have fought war in this country and survived. Even overtake those who give us 20 pounds. In case if you don't know it today. It is not fair that we are saying we are not going to participate in the protest. The military barrack, and they only go for international defense. The police are the one who are involved in riot and protest. We are the military, we are the army. We go for war. We are not supposed to participate in protest. Even an insult for a daughter or a son of Igbo to be involved in protest. Let those who have not experienced war go for that. Yes, now, that's how it's supposed to be. I am a Delta boy. I'm an Onitshumo boy in a North local government of Delta State. I'm an Igbo boy. In my clan, what they used to say is that we are those who see fight reject food. In the full of Ujuni, if you set a food and set a fight, my people will reject the food and choose fight. So it's not a fear. It is normal thing that we do. When it comes for war, that is where we represent. However, this video, I want to call in the attention of all Nigerian vloggers. Whether it's Linda Ikeji, whether it's G Slobber, whether They know though, whether it's Sahara reporters or even NTA channels, Nigerian police, please, whenever you caught people that are bearing Igbo name during this protest, ask them who they are. Because we have some wolves in goat clothing among us. The impersonators who are claiming they are not Igbo, but they eat our food, bear our name, do our culture, dress like us, look like us, speak our language, but they will always be saying, I am around Igbo, we are not Igbo. Yes, now, even from my own Delta state or River state, anytime you call this, they are the one impersonating the Igbos. Because when you catch them, you write, Amadi has committed a crime, they will say Igbo people. Meanwhile, this person is the one denying that he's not Igbo in his own state. They'll be the one beating their hand in the chest. I am around Igbo. Don't drag us, you're not Igbo. But they're bearing Igbo name, dressing like Igbo, speaking Igbo. So when you catch them through these protests, make sure you identify them. They are Benin ambassadors. Yes, that's what we call them. They are among us, but they are representing Benin. They claim their ancestors came from Benin, so they are Benin ambassadors. Make sure you identify them, because no son of Igbo man will participate in this protest. Every son of Igbo man know where he belongs to. That is why we use lion as a representative of Igbo. Aguno, they go fight anyhow. The wolves and the hyena, the parts can go to protest, but we are not protesting.
Okay, guys, thank you so much. You have heard it all, and I'm not going to say much about it. So thank you so much. And I just want to make it one more time. Let me make it clear that in this platform, we don't preach violence, don't support anything violence or killing of any type. What I'm trying to do here is to tell you what will save your life and safeguard your properties and family, to protect you, because that is what government don't want you to understand. Pushing you out to do or to get yourself involved in something that will actually turn against you is what they're known for. As long as that thing benefit them, as long as they make it, if money will click in their pocket, they will not allow you to do something that will favor you. Instead, things that are going to favor them is what they want you to stand for. So what I'm trying to tell you is that this platform don't ask you to commit any evil or any violence, or find anybody, killing anybody or anything as such. So we are not here to promote that or to support it. We are not part of it at all. Thank you so much, and God bless you guys that have stayed with me all this while. We are almost 2 hours in the broadcast. So please, before you go, like the video if you can, and share it. Comment and tell us what you think about all we have discussed. And see you again on the next one. Bye bye and happy weekend. And see you on fundraising. I think in next couple of hours. I think normally it's 7 p.m. right? 7 p.m. is around. This is just the morning, so mark the time. So Biafran time 7 p.m. today. Okay, 7 p.m. is fundraising, and be there and support. God bless you all, and see you again. Bye bye for now.